Is cinnamon as good as we think it is? Does cinnamon perhaps have more benefits than we think? Let's dive right into the mysteries of cinnamon. Let us know in the comments how you use cinnamon in your daily life. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries for its aromatic flavor and numerous health benefits. Whether sprinkled on top of a latte or used as an ingredient in a savory dish, cinnamon adds a warm and comforting touch. But did you know that cinnamon also offers a range of health benefits? In this article, we will explore some of the incredible advantages of using cinnamon and the various ways you can incorporate it into your daily routine. One of the most notable benefits of cinnamon is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that consuming cinnamon can help lower fasting blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Cinnamon also enhances insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to effectively utilize glucose and keep blood sugar levels stable. By adding cinnamon to your meals or beverages, you can promote better blood sugar control and reduce the risk of developing diabetes-related complications. Another impressive property of cinnamon is its powerful antioxidant activity. Antioxidants are essential in protecting the body from the damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to various chronic diseases. Cinnamon contains polyphenols, which are potent antioxidants that scavenge free radicals and prevent oxidative stress. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you can boost your overall antioxidant intake and support your body's defense against harmful molecules. Furthermore, cinnamon has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is believed to be at the root of many health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties can help combat inflammation in the body and reduce the risk of these diseases. Regular consumption of cinnamon can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Not only does cinnamon offer health benefits, but it also adds a delightful flavor to various dishes and beverages. One of the simplest ways to use cinnamon is by sprinkling it on top of your morning oatmeal or adding it to your favorite baked goods. The warm and aromatic flavor of cinnamon can enhance the taste of these foods while providing added health benefits. You can also infuse cinnamon into your tea or coffee for a cozy and comforting drink. Moreover, cinnamon can be incorporated into savory dishes, such as curries or stews, to add depth of flavor and a hint of sweetness. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, try making cinnamon roasted nuts. Toss your choice of nuts in a mixture of cinnamon, a hint of honey, and a pinch of salt. Then bake them until they are golden and crispy. These cinnamon-infused nuts make for a satisfying and nutritious treat. For those who prefer a refreshing treat, cinnamon can be added to smoothies or homemade juices. By combining cinnamon with fruits and vegetables, you can create a delightful and nutritious beverage packed with vitamins and minerals. The versatility of cinnamon allows you to experiment with different flavor combinations to find your favorite blend. Additionally, cinnamon can be used in homemade beauty remedies. Its antimicrobial properties make it an effective ingredient for treating acne and other skin conditions. You can create a simple face mask by mixing cinnamon powder with honey to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for about 10-15 minutes before rinsing off. This natural remedy can help reduce inflammation, unclog pores, and promote clearer and healthier skin. In conclusion, cinnamon is a spice that offers a range of health benefits and adds an incredible flavor to your meals and beverages. From its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and provide antioxidant protection to its anti-inflammatory properties, cinnamon is a powerhouse of wellness. Whether you choose to sprinkle it on your oatmeal, infuse it into your tea, or incorporate it into your beauty routine, cinnamon can be a valuable addition to your daily life. So, go ahead and indulge in this delightful spice to improve your health and enjoy the warm and comforting flavor it imparts. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to give yourself all the knowledge about your health.